The purpose of this video is to show you how to replace the main board on a Broan-NuTone ALT4 range hood. Make sure you turn that circuit breaker off before you begin the repair. Once that circuit breaker is turned off and no power is to the unit, you can go ahead and remove both sides of the filters. Once you have both sides of the filters removed, go ahead and just set them to the side. The next step in this repair is remove the electrical box cover. There are 3 screws holding this electrical box cover in. These are Phillips head screws. So go ahead and remove the 3 screws. Once the 3 screws are removed, go ahead and lift up on that bracket and pull the electrical box cover out. The next step to this repair is you're going to remove all the screws holding the main bracket support that holds that electrical panel. If you follow my fingers all the way along that edge, you're going to remove all the screws, and there's going to be 2 on the inside on the left side and 2 on the inside on the right side. So go ahead and remove those screws. Once the screws are removed, go ahead and grab a needle nose pliers, and what you're going to do is there's a living hinge on the right and left hand side. You're just going to go and bend that hinge downward. Once that is done, you can go ahead and grab that bracket, and you can just pull the bracket, slide it over the blower assembly. Now you have complete access to that circuit board. That circuit board is held in place by plastic standoffs. You can go ahead and take a needle nose pliers and squeeze the standoffs and lift the board off of them. You're going to do that to all 4 corners. The wire connectors connecting this board, they're what we call quick connects. So you just squeeze the connector and the wires pull right off. You can go ahead, and once you get that far, you can grab a new control board. And I recommend putting wire for wire. So take one off the old board and put it on the exact same spot on the new board. You can go ahead and put all the wire connectors back on that new board, and you can just push the board back on the standoff, so snap right into place with ease. You can go ahead and slide that bracket back into place. Once the bracket is in place, go ahead and put all the screws in, bend the left living hinge back into place, then the right. And then go ahead and grab that electrical box cover. You can go ahead and put that back into place. Remember, there's 3 screws holding that box cover into place. Once you get that last screw on that box cover into place, you can go ahead, grab your filters, and put the filters back into place. Remember, the springs go towards the back, and you can just kind of press them back down into place. And that's all there is to this repair. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.